Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to change default browser on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On Chromebook, by default we get Google Chrome browser. However, if you want to install another browser and set it as a default browser, then you can easily do so. For that, you have to download and install another browsers like Firefox browser, Opera browser and any other browser. Simply open Google Play Store. Search for the browser you want to install. Say for example, I want to install Firefox. I'll simply search for Firefox browser and install it. So this way you can install another browser on your Chromebook. Now, if you want to change the default browser, then you have to open the browser. Let me show you with Firefox browser. For that, simply open Firefox browser, navigate to the settings page, and here look for an option called Set as default browser. Simply turn this option and here you will find a pop-up to select your default browser. Simply select the browser you want to set as default, then click on Set as default option. So that's it. This is how you can change default browser on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.